So in this video, let's look at sum and product of roots. So let's have it that alpha and beta are two roots of a given quadratic equation, this quadratic equation there. So we are told that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b over a. So how true could that be? Let's check it out. So alpha plus beta is going to be equal to this plus this, right? So you have minus b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a, right? And this is minus b plus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So don't be confused. This is just, we have plus and minus, right? So splitting the minus here and then the plus here is what we have here. So, and to cut this short now, alpha plus beta is going to be equal to, we can actually split this out to have it like this, minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a, and then we have here to be minus b over 2a plus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So this minus plus, right, this and this will go. If we say this minus this is 0, so which is the same thing as saying minus this plus this, right? So which means what we are going to be left here is going to be minus b over 2a minus b over 2a. So which means we will have this to be minus 2b over 2a, which is equal to minus b over a. So this is what we have, minus b over a. So let's check for products, right? That was for sum of roots. So let's check for product of root, that is alpha multiplying beta. So, and we've splitted this, so let's just use it from where we splitted it here. We're going to have this to be minus beta minus b over 2a, then minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a multiplying minus b over 2a plus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So we are going to multiply this. So let's multiply it and see what we have. So multiplying this, we are going to have b squared over 4 a squared, this times this, then this times this, you have minus b over 4a squared into square root of b squared minus 4ac, right? Then this times this is going to give a plus b over 4a squared into square root of b squared minus 4ac, right? Then this will be plus b squared minus 4ac divided by 4a squared. Multiply these two, right? This is going to be a square of 1 over 2, so which you are going to have that remaining. So from here you can see clearly that this and this will go, because this and this is the inverse, additive inverse of this, which is going to be 0. So what you have remaining is b squared over 4a squared plus b squared minus 4ac divided by 4a squared, which is equal to what? Which is equal to b squared, right? Which is equal to b squared. Remember, this is minus here. This is minus. It's minus because of this minus, right? The minus is outside the square root. So this b squared minus b squared minus 4ac divided by 4a squared, which is going to be equal to minus 4ac divided by 4a squared. So since the minus is here, if we open the bracket, this is going to be plus. So this becomes plus, so it's not minus. So we have plus 4ac, so squared. So which means this 4 will go with this a will go with this, right? So you are left with 1a here, which is c over a. Now this is what we have, and this is what we have here. So you can see that this is the proof for our sum and product of roots. So let's solve some examples on sum and product of roots right away. So in this self-assessment exercise, we are told to find the sum and product of roots of this quadratic equation. This is x squared minus 2x plus 5 equal to 0. And without solving, find the sum and product of roots of the equation. We're also to find that of 2x squared minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. So let's solve this. Now remember our general formula: ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, right? And then this is what we have here. So here, if we remove it, a is going to be equal to 1, and then b is equal to minus 2, and c is equal to 5, right? So for sum now, we say sum of roots alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to what? Minus b over what? Over a. Minus b over a, which is what? Minus minus 2 now. This is minus minus. Well, if you substitute b here is minus, you have minus 2 over a, which is 1. So we are going to have 2 here. We are going to have 2. The sum of the root is 2. So let's look at the product, which is c over a, and c is 5 and a is 1. So that is 5. The product is 5 and the sum is 2. So for the second one here, this was for the first. So for the second one, we are going to have a to be, a is 2, b is minus 3, and c is minus 2. So substituting it here, sum of roots is going to be minus 3 over 2, which is 3 over 2, and then the product is going to be minus 2 over 2, which is equal to minus 1, right? So that is it for these two questions. That is it for these two questions. So let's go further to solve other exciting examples in the quadratic equation.